We got lasagna, we got peppers, we got an apple dessert tonight right here in the Jazzy Vegetarian Kitchen. Vegan, gluten-free, and absolutely delicious. A fabulous lasagna. Now we're going to top it in a row just like we did on the bottom with the rest of our polenta slices. Some delicious green peppers, garlicky green peppers, all ready to go into the oven. A snazzy apple dessert. You can just use a small casserole dish for this recipe. But they've all got a jazzy twist, so don't go anywhere. It's Pantry Polenta Lasagna Night, right here in the Jazzy Vegetarian Kitchen. So stay tuned.
Jazzy, you're gonna be healthy with the Jazzy Vegetarian. Jazzy, so snazzy. We're gonna cook something healthy and light. Jazzy, so snazzy. So join me in the kitchen right now. We're gonna cook something healthy and light. That's right.
On today's show, I'll prepare Pantry Polenta Lasagna, an incredibly flavorful and quick-to-assemble dish using pantry ingredients. It's a delicious Italian-style casserole that the whole family is going to love. On the side, garlicky roasted green peppers are an easy way to serve fresh green peppers, making an excellent dish for a plant-powered meal. For dessert, apple ramekins with coconut oat crunch feature apple slices, cinnamon, sugar, and maple syrup, then topped with crispy oats and coconut, making a healthy and delicious dessert. So join me while I prepare this family-style menu.
National funding for Jazzy Vegetarian was provided in part by Papa Vince, farm fresh foods from artisans in Sicily, Italy. Our extra virgin olive oil is first cold pressed, unfiltered, and unrefined from our family orchards. Friends and food together around the table. Information available at papavince.com. Plain Products, vegan hair and body products in reusable, returnable, and refillable containers, eliminating single-use plastic. Plain Products. Milkadamia's macadamia milks, creamers, and dairy-free buttery spread replace dairy 1-to-1 for plant-based meals and more. Milkadamia.
This time around, it's about making plans you can manage. Green Chef is here to help by creating a meal plan that meets your dietary needs. Green Chef.
Veg Fund, providing grants for vegan advocacy. Veg Fund.
It's lasagna night here on Jazzy Vegetarian. This season we're doing easy vegan home cooking. And how is lasagna easy? It's my pantry polenta lasagna. All the ingredients in this lasagna can be stored in the pantry, making it very, very easy. Plus, this recipe is, of course, vegan, but it's also gluten-free. So having a vegan, easy, and gluten-free lasagna recipe to serve your family is going to be very beneficial to your recipe box. So I'm excited to get to it. But hey, dessert first. And I've got these beautiful apples, and I'm going to make my petite apple ramekins with coconut oat crunch. Really, really tasty and pretty darn easy too. So I'm starting with 2 pretty large apples, and you can slice or dice these apples for this recipe. I'm actually going to do a large dice today on this. Get that into my bowl. You know, having quick and easy suppers is something that I've really been focused on. And also having recipes that are limited in ingredients. Most of the recipes this season have 8 ingredients or fewer, so that certainly makes it, well, a lot easier, a lot quicker. When you have less ingredients, less cleanup. You know, I'm all about less cleanup. I've got 2 medium-large red apples. I've got pink lady apples here today, and I've cut them into a large dice. And that's how we're going to start off our apple ramekins. So we've got to flavor them up a little bit, and I'm starting with 1 heaping tablespoon of dark brown sugar, and then a tablespoon of maple syrup. Ooh, maple syrup makes it nice. A half teaspoon of ground cinnamon. That's our whole filling. That's all we need. So we're just gonna mix that together. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, so there's our yummy filling.